This student made 4 winning trades, 7 losing trades, and still here $1,690 still made money, and we're going to break down how he exactly did it. This is a 1-minute trading strategy. The money management is one of the most important things. So you can see here the date and the time when he sat down. He's from Europe, and when he trades within that 1 or 2 hours, you can see here how he loses $100, then how he can make here $400, loses again 3 times $100, makes $650, loses $100, can make your $400. So as you're seeing here, the money management is very good, even when having more losing than winning trades. And what does that is the risk-reward ratio. So what we use here is the S&P 500. You can see here that the trader started his trading here, and then this is the consolidation phase. The market is here in one area and then stays here in one area. Then you can see how the market breaks out of the consolidation phase. So, like this. And then once you see that the market is not coming back to the consolidation phase, is not touching it anymore, this is a sign that the market likes to go to the next target. Make sure you always draw in targets. So those are consolidation phases from the left side, as you see also here, or those are just lows from the left side. They look literally just like this. Once you draw them in and you know exactly, oh, there's nothing here in this area, the next consolidation phase is down here. The market broke through this resistance here or support, then it makes more sense that the market continues going in that direction, what you can see afterwards. So why does it make more sense? It's because if you take a picture in the beginning and then in the end of your trading session, you can tell consistently what the market really did. So once you see then most of the time that the market really goes into a specific target and you did that work, the next step is then, of course, what about your trading strategy? What about money management with risk-reward ratio? So we use a color switch. That means on the red candle, as you can see, is the stop loss. The entry is where the red candle closes. The trader got 1 time stopped out. And then the second entry, as you can see here, adjusted here with the position sizing $100. It's $500 towards this area here. And then another trading opportunity with the anchored VWAP. We let, after the market touches the target, we don't just enter here. We let the market touch the anchored VWAP. We want to see not just a touch, we want to see that the market rotates lower, as you can see here. And then we hopefully have here a small color switch. So $100 adjusted, another $500 or $600 winning trade for trade number 3. We go to the next chart. We see here the consolidation phase. We see here that it's too early. We let the market break away off. You can see how the trader had 2 losing trades, and the main reason is because the targets were missing here to draw in. On the left side, we have there some target, and that's the reason why the market literally comes back here. And then what the trader did is he let the market push out, and look at this one. From this high, from here to here, is just a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1. So if he adjusts here $100, it's just like another $100 or $200 winning. But if he adjusts here $100, it's like $500 just to this high. So if you see the market goes higher and just comes back, make sure you have enough space to trade up there. Because on the first scenario, right, there wasn't enough space. On the second one, there's enough space, what you are seeing here. And the smaller the chart is, the lesser space you need, sort of, because the smaller the chart is, the smaller the references for money management, as you also saw there. Okay. What you can see here, this is the last example. It's sort of the same thing, but here we did not had enough space again, as you see here, from here to here, right? Trading up here. And the second one is, if you look at the targets here, you can see where the market is going to react. Those are just highs and lows from the left side. This is no secret. You can find this on other videos on this channel. And what you're seeing here is that the traders saw that the market broke out of the consolidation phase. And then from here, the risk-reward ratio from here to here is 1 to 5. And this is the main reason why when the trader loses here $100, $200, $300 and makes 1 time $500 or $600, right? He is still on a positive side. Use this to improve your trading.